today we are going to repot this Monstera Deliciosa with my other Monstera Deliciosa, which is on the other side over here.
Hi.
That's Maria saying hi. Alright, here's the other Monstera Deliciosa here. And technically I have 3 Monstera Deliciosas, so this is just one that I purchased from my local garden center. And it's gorgeous. Already has some fenestrations. But the other one, excuse me, over here is actually 2. So I initially purchased this younger side of it from Plant Arena. And if you guys know about her, she does have a YouTube channel as well as a store. And I thought I was happy with the younger plant, but as I was watching other YouTubers and seeing all their fenestrations, I wanted one with fenestration. So I ended up ordering a, let's see, I think it was like a 3, maybe a 3 or 4 leaf cutting of Monstera that already had the fenestrations. And that is what these leaves come from. And some of these leaves are new, like this one for example. And this one back here I think is on the, no, this may not be so new, but I know this one is. I'm kind of losing fenestrations there. But anyway, that plant that I ordered from Etsy, which is, you know, this half of the pot, this is the one that had the rust fungus or the rust bacteria that I showed you I cut off in a previous video. So that has not returned, thankfully. And you can see where I cut. So these yellowing stems, like right there, and those 2 back there, those are from the ones that I cut. So I'm going to be removing those as I repot these 2 plants together. And yeah, we're gonna do that. So that's gonna be next what you see. So sit back and enjoy this repot.